Not everyone will understand your feeling. Not everyone will see your tears. Not everyone will wipe your tears and stop your crying. No matter what situation say, no creations can keep you happy. No, not a single creations give you the best happiness in your life. But there is Allah. Allah is the most merciful. He is a cherisher, nourisher, sustainer, the provider, the curer, the protector, the one who absolute control of all existence. Is Allah can give you the best and best happiness in whole life. All you need a true beliefs, a proper intention, a clean heart, and clean path of your life. That's what Allah need. Focus, focus, focus. Fear of Allah.